Hello, hello, hello. My name is Shancy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, editing Shancy over here. Oh man, I had lipstick on my teeth and I'm editing and I'm like, I hate when this happens. It's not the first time. Anyways, I hope it's not gonna distract you. Keep watching. On this channel, I do everyday makeup looks, size 16 fashion, and 100% pure Canadian content. On this quick video, I wanted to do a bit of a roundup on some hand creams that I've been using, some things that I love, a couple like secrets that I have of some healing hand creams. Whether or not it's a placebo effect, I do find that they help with dry hands. And of course, winter is upon us, and I just feel like we can all use a little bit of a recommendation as to what hand creams work, especially in the cold Canadian climate. So let me jump right in. The first thing I wanted to show was the CeraVe Essay Renewing Lotion. So I've got this in a large format. And I also have it in a foot cream, and I find it really, really works. You put it on, put some socks on at night. So I guess this is more of a summer thing, but the Essay is a salicylic acid. That's what helps to break down the really dry, rough skin. It almost exfoliates it, and then the new skin can regenerate. So this one I always have like at my desk, and it's not scented, so it's really good for back in the day when we used to work in non-scented offices. Now, if you want something a little more luxurious that has a gorgeous smell, I cannot recommend this enough. It's the Moroccan Oil Body Hand Cream. I'm almost done this. This is one that I leave in my purse. It absorbs really nicely and it doesn't like rinse off, if you know what I mean. So this one I really love for like absorbing and smell. So this is 75 mils and I think it retails for $25, but it's worth it. This one is from the Chemist brand, which is the same brand of the Ordinary family. It's not very expensive and it's called HA3 Hand Hydrator. So this is with hyaluronic acid and butters of mango and Inca Inchi, whatever that is. I can't remember. I used this last year, so I can't remember what it smells like. But it definitely has like a buttery finish, I want to say. Yeah, it's almost like you're putting butter into your skin. And it has a really fresh scent. Little lemongrassy, little cleaning product-y, but in a good way. So this one's also very inexpensive because it's obviously from The Ordinary. They have such great prices for their products. Next up is the Weleda Skin Food. So this thing I usually put all over my body. I'll use it on my hands, on my face, but it definitely does have more of a rich texture to it. You don't need much. This skin food I usually leave in my purse in the winter months. You don't need much, you just warm it between your fingers. This has like a gorgeous, very herbal scent, more than the HA Hydrator. And this one will have like a sticky, kind of oily finish. So here's the thing. We tend to layer skincare on our face, but I'm not sure how many of us are layering skincare on our hands. So I think we probably need to start using 2 or even 3 types of creams for our hands. One that absorbs and moisturizes, and another one that locks in the moisture. So something that's more like an oil base, like a Weleda Skin Food, would lock the moisture barrier. Or even something that's like ceramide based, like CeraVe, would probably help to lock in that moisture. So something to consider. Let me know if you guys start layering your hand creams. I think I might do that because we use so much hand sanitizer. I feel like our skin is like double, it's gonna get double dry this winter. Next one is the Glossier hand cream, which I did a whole video on its own, and I can link it here. This one would be equivalent to like the Moroccan Oil. It's like more of like a perfume hand cream, but this has like a greasy finish. It has like a nice, yeah, greasy finish, slightly lighter than the Weleda. But I've been leaving this at my work desk. Just smells good. It smells like the Glossier You perfume, if you're into that, which I am. I've gone through 2 bottles already. Okay, And then for the end of this little segment, I wanted to talk about like hand repair or balms. I've got 3 here that I wanted to show you. So the first thing is Fentix. I don't even know. My sister got this like in a market, and I'm gonna see if I can find it for you guys online. It's honey based, and to be honest, it's like a miracle cream. I have 3 miracle creams. It smells like nothing. It's just clear, plain. But like when my son has had like some dry rashes on his mouth or around his mouth, or just like cuts or something, I put this on and I swear to God it goes away. I don't know, I don't question it, I just use it and that's it. Bee Savvy, this is a farmhand. Again, it's like a thick beeswax kind of balm. And this I put on my son's hands. So he started like picking at his cuticles this summer as like a nervous tick, I think, just from, you know, COVID, etc. And he was like destroying all of his cuticles. So we started doing like every night before going to bed, I would massage his hands, I would use CeraVe, and then right before going to bed, I would just slap some of the balm like right on the cuticles. And I don't know, between him going back to school and just like constantly having like moisturized hands, this stuff really worked. Like this really helps to tackle like the extra dry skin. The hand cream for him was more of a way for him to stop actually picking at his hands and like making it more slippery. So I have a lot of experience with dry hands. So yeah, Bee Savvy, this is actually a local to Ottawa company, and they just opened a shop, I believe, in Almont. So I'll give them some love and I'll link them in the description. And lastly, please, this is not an opportunity to come at me with multi-level marketing products. I'm just like not a fan of how their like marketing is like very aggressive and very competitive. So this is an Alouette product, and I'm scared to even mention this. This is my secret weapon. Don't tell anyone. It's called Visible Aid, and I kid you not, this will heal anything. Anything. You have a cut, put it on. You have a bump, put it on. It goes away. This will literally cure anything. If I have like a mysterious like rash or bump or anything on my face, like hands, if I'm getting like a lot of hangnails, I'll put this on and I just don't know, it goes away. I think it's like aloe vera based products. So it is what it is. Alouette is like a multi-level marketing, so you have to contact someone to get it. I just like buy 3 of them and I'm like, do not contact me. I just need this product. I'm not interested in becoming a sales rep. I just want your magic cream. Little sidebar about multi-level marketing. The thing is, they usually have decent products, but it's like, it's so hard to get to, or it's like you can't buy something without being like harassed to buy a whole bunch more. So I just wish they would like back off a little bit, you know? And there's just like too many people doing it. So if you have a friend who sells it and then the other friend who sells it, and then you're like, I don't know which friend to support, and it's too much. So there you go, guys. That was my little hand cream roundup. I hope this helps. I use a lot of hand cream all the time. I always have one in my purse. So I feel like I'm like maybe the hand cream expert. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. So that's about it. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, please don't forget to write them in the comments below. I always respond to everything. You can see that. I'll link some other videos if you want to see, and if you have any recommendations of what other kinds of videos you want to watch, please let me know. Always looking for ideas. So that's about it. Now I'm rambling, and I'll leave you with that. I hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you soon. Bye!